Hi there, students. To simulate, to make something look real, even though it's not. So the wood was painted to simulate stone. And in cheap plastic furniture, very often the plastic is coloured to simulate wood. Okay, I simulated that I was very happy that these people had come, but I wasn't very happy at all. A computer simulation where you have perhaps different types of weather conditions. So simulation, this is talking about faking or pretending, something that is stimulated, made to look like something else. So this isn't leather, it's simulated leather. They had training sessions to get them ready, and they simulated various scenarios. So to make in imitation, to simulate meat, for example, to simulate interest in something, to pretend to be interested in it. This music is meant to simulate the birds singing in spring. Okay, to model, to replicate, to duplicate the behavior, the appearance of. We will use a machine to simulate the fog that you will you will find. This game simulates a pinball machine. So to create conditions that exist in real life by using computers or models for training purposes. So computer software used to make a simulation. This program simulates flying. It's a flying simulator. A gas heater that simulates a cold fire. It looks like. So I tried to simulate surprise. I tried to make everybody think I was surprised, even if I wasn't. A sheet of metal was shaken in order to simulate the noise of thunder. Models are used to simulate the workings of real life. Okay, so to simulate, to imitate, to feign, to pretend, to copy, to make something that's a look-alike, to simulate the effect, to simulate the conditions. So if you simulate an action or a feeling, you pretend you're doing it, you pretend you're feeling it, but no, you're not. It's not real. So to pretend, if you simulate an object or a substance or a noise, you produce something that sounds like it, but isn't actually it. Okay, so smoke was used to simulate the steam coming from the boiler. You can simulate conditions. You artificially create them to do an experiment. Okay, cars are tested to see how much damage they suffer in simulated crashes. They're not real ones, but it's a simulation. Okay, to make a copy of something, to give the appearance or effect of something with the intention of deceiving, to simulate. She tried hard to simulate interest in what he was saying. It was impossible to force a smile, to simulate that she was pleased. Okay, so to simulate. The red paint is there to simulate blood, to imitate the appearance of, to reproduce, to replicate, to simulate an emotion. It's or to produce a computer model that simulates a situation. So simulated, simulate, simulation. Formality, simulate, a 5 in formality. This is a word that you can use anywhere. And let's see, it comes from, Middle English, simulat, feign, similar. Latin simulatus, simulo, made like, imitated, copy, similis, like, the same. So, simulate. Bye for now.